So recently, a lot of teachers have been complaining about students screaming in class and disturbing the environment of learning. This is why we have planned to create a system that detects excess noise levels and sounds a beeper. And when teachers are not in class and it beeps more than 3 times, it notifies other teachers that there's no teacher in the class and makes other teachers come to the class.
This problem arose when we interviewed teachers and they spoke about the noise in the hallways which disrupted teaching and exams. So it became imperative for us to build a system like this. And our system does is it detects noise levels which is louder than normal and puts out a ringing sound through a buzzer. Now Amog will explain how it works.
So essentially the brains of the whole system is this Arduino Uno microcontroller, and this is connected to a sensor which is known as the MAX 446. So it's essentially just a sound sensor which senses all the sound, and then so we have put a certain threshold for the sound, and if the sound is too loud, it sends a signal to this Arduino Uno, which then sends a signal to this LED and the buzzer to give out a sound. We have also added a switch to allow teachers and students to put it on and off as well. So this is essentially our build, and we hope to solve the problem of excessive noise in the classrooms and the hallways through the system.